Hello and welcome back to Swaggy Amma, and today we are back with another interesting recipe. We'll be seeing how to prepare sambar podi or sambar powder at home. To prepare this recipe, few of the ingredients which we require would be 1 cup of coriander seeds, 10 to 12 dry red chili and about 4 to 5 Kashmiri dry red chili, 1/3 cup of tur dal, 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seed or methi seed, 1 tablespoon of sesame seed, 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/4 cup of whole urad dal, 1/4 cup of whole black pepper. Firstly, to begin with, take a thick bottom kadai, and once the kadai is hot enough, add the tur dal into it. Add the urad dal, whole black pepper, fenugreek seed and saute this and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes in low to medium flame. Here we will be adding ingredient by ingredient and dry roasting this mixture, as all the ingredients have its own dry roasting time. Next, into this add the coriander seed and saute this and cook for another 1 more minute in low flame. Finally, into this add the dry red chili and the sesame seed and mix everything well. Now saute this and cook until all the ingredients are dry roasted well and they turn aromatic. If you're a first timer and you're not confident enough to dry roast all the ingredients at once, you can dry roast all the ingredients separately. Now we can see that the lentils and the dry red chili have turned into a little darker shade, and also the coriander seeds have started to pop. You can switch off the flame now, and now into this add the turmeric powder and asafoetida powder and give a good mix. Transfer the dry roasted ingredients into a plate and allow this mixture to cool down in room temperature for some time. Now transfer the dry roasted ingredients into a mixer or grinder and grind until your coarse consistency sambar podi is ready. Now our delicious and aromatic sambar powder is ready. You can use this immediately, or you can even store this in an airtight container. This has a very good shelf life of 6 months to 1 year. For longer shelf life, always use a dry spoon while using this. So do try this recipe at home and do let me know on how it was in the comment section. If you like this video, do not forget to give us a thumbs up and to share it along with your friends. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to like, follow and subscribe to Swaggy Amma in Facebook, Instagram and YouTube.